Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Canberra, Sydney. I've got a Porsche 928 here. I've just finished draining the fuel out and put the fuel back in here so I can put it back in the car later on to start it up because they are good fuel. I already took the old fuel out because they were too old. I've taken all the straps off the fuel tank. There's your fuel tank there on the corner there. This one here is the fuel tank. The reason why we took it out is because this line here on top, it's all, I think I showed it in a different video, it's all, look at that inside here, it's all cracked. Really bad, and that's going to cause a little problem in the future, especially when the fuel leaks around here and the exhaust is just right there. Fuel vapor is very dangerous. So if you come down here, this is underneath the car. There you go. So I'm going to see if I can call Pertec, they can come here. So because this hose here goes all the way to the front, underneath there. See that line there? All the way underneath the car, all the way to the front there, and it goes to the front of the car. So I'm going to call Pertec if they can come here and take that kink out with the machine, mobile machine, and then put a new fuel line here, fuel hose from here, just from here, just to replace this part here. And that's only I'm pretty sure they can do it, but I've got to ring them now so they can repair, take that part, that little hose off, and put a new fuel line on, new fuel hose off, probably I'll say 2 centimeters longer than this one, and then I can actually refit the fuel tank and put everything back together and start the car up. We are nearly ready to get it done. All right. And I have to, if you're doing a job like this, make sure you have a fire extinguisher right next to you, because this, you never know what's going to happen. I have seen in the past that the actual people get burned and stuff like that because of fuel, but you never know. So, alright, just this is the part I took off. I just left the actual filter and the pump in there. Don't have to take that off, just disconnect the lines. There's only a few lines to take off and that's it. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.